In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Shopify store. Maybe you're doing a redesign, taking a break, or preparing for a big relaunch. Whatever the reason, you might want to take your store offline without deleting anything. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to effectively unpublish your Shopify store by using password protection so visitors can't browse or buy, but all your settings, products, and designs stay safe in the background. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your store. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, it will expand and reveal a few more options underneath. From that list, click on Preferences. This is where you control a lot of the front-end settings for your store, including how people access it. Inside the Preferences page, look for the very first section at the top called Store Access. This is where you'll find the password protection settings. On the right side of that section, you'll see a toggle that lets you turn password protection on or off. To unpublish your store from public view, simply enable that toggle. Once you turn it on, two new fields will appear. The first field is for the password itself. This password will be required for anyone who tries to visit your store. Choose something secure but easy enough for you and any collaborators to remember. Avoid using anything sensitive or that you reuse elsewhere. This is just for temporary store access. The second field is for a message to your visitors. This message will appear on the password page, so it's your chance to explain what's going on. You can keep it simple with something like, "Our store is temporarily unavailable," or customize it with a short explanation and maybe an estimated return time. A clear message helps your customers understand that the downtime is intentional and temporary, not an error. After you've entered a password and written your message, look toward the top of the page, near the search bar, and click the Save button. This step is important because nothing changes until you save. Once it's saved, your store will be effectively hidden from the public. Visitors won't be able to view your products or complete purchases unless they have the password, while all of your store date, theme, and settings remain fully intact in the admin. And that's all you need to unpublish your Shopify store safely and temporarily.